Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account in the Instagram app on your iPhone or your Android phone. Now keep in mind this will permanently delete your Instagram account, so if you're looking to temporarily deactivate it, check the description because I will have a tutorial going over that. Also, if you're trying to delete your Instagram account on a desktop computer, check the description because I have a tutorial going over that as well. All right, so to get started with deleting your Instagram account on an iPhone or Android phone, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app and make sure that we're logged into the account that we want to actually delete. Once we do that, select the profile button in the bottom right of the app to go to your profile. Then once you're under profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right to open up the menu. In here, go to settings, and then under settings, select help at the bottom. Once we're in help, select help center. This will open up the browser within Instagram, which is the help center. From here, we just need to search delete account. And it should come up where you can just select it. And then the first result should be, how do I delete my Instagram account? Select that. From here, scroll down until you see to request the permanent deletion of your Instagram account. And then the first step is go to the delete your account page, select that. You might have to log in, but you shouldn't have to log in since we're in the Instagram app. And all we need to do here is select the dropdown, selecting why we want to delete our account. Go ahead and re-enter your password. Once you put in your password, you will be given the delete option at the bottom of the screen. Now keep in mind, they will not delete your account for 30 days. So if during that time you decide you don't want to delete your account, all you need to do is log into your Instagram account. So to delete your Instagram account, go ahead and select delete right here with your username, and then confirm by selecting OK that you want to delete it. It's going to load, and it'll bring you back to the login screen, and you have now permanently deleted your Instagram account. All right, so that's how you delete your Instagram account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.